What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and this is a super short video. Honestly, this is nothing like crazy or full. I just want to actually test fit back the lip kit for the Delsol. If you guys don't remember, sometime last year I actually test fitted or just mocked up the lip kit for this car, but I haven't done it in a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and take everything back down. We're also gonna switch the bumper with the black one over there, and then we're gonna put the front lip on, the side skirts, and then we'll put the wing at the back of the car as well. Like I said, I haven't test fit this thing in a long time, so I want to test fit it with the new bumper on, so that way I can get a little feel of how it will look like. So it's going to be a pretty short video today, but if you guys want to sit and vibe with me and see the kit on the car, and then keep watching this video. Here we have the new front bumper for the car. Well, new to me anyway. This one fits a little bit tighter than the one that's on the car right now, so this should give us a bit better, just a smidge bit more better fitment. And it's actually buried under here, but we have the front lip right here. And then right along up there, we have our side skirts for the car. And then of course, right down here, we have the actual wing. So we got the stuff here laid out. You got the side skirt, the lip, the wing over on that side. So let's just go ahead and take this front bumper off and set up this whole kit. Quick side note, look at this. You guys notice we have a different wheel on here again. It's just a spare for now, just for it to roll on or whatever. But yeah, it was on jack stands for such a long time, so I just copped another set of wheels just to throw it on for the meantime. Alright, so check it out. We got the front bumper on and we got the front lip on. Check that out. The bumper is pretty all messed up, but don't worry, it's going to be repainted and all of that. But from the lip, fits perfectly. We still have to get some deflectors here, or I might just delete this. But yeah, hell yeah, that looks so much better. I still do have to dial in some things, but for the most part, front bumper, front lip looks good. Let's end this off and put the side skirt on, and then we'll put the wing at the back. Holy, check it out, guys. Lip kit is on. Oh my gosh, dude. Look at that. Side skirts. Definitely my favorite part of the car is these side skirts right here. And then over to the wing at the back, and then the side skirt on the other side. Damn, it looks good. Especially this angle right here. Looks really nice. But also, this quarter panel side is definitely my favorite as well. Now imagine this thing like slammed to the ground, guys. Like, I'm looking to at least do like that or something like that. Not too crazy low, but low enough to where the fender at least reaches almost to the fender, so maybe like right a little bit on top right there. So I am so ready and so pumped to put the wheels on, get this thing lowered, get it all paint matched and everything, especially with the wing at the back as well. Oh my god, once this is all paint matched and everything, upgraded some clear tails, some clear headlights, take a good look, because once this thing is all paint matched and looking nice, it's gonna be like a totally new car. But also, you guys can't forget, once the new wheels are on, I still haven't showed you guys, but once those wheels, once I reveal it to you guys and put it on the car and do like a good like -8, -10 front and back, this thing is gonna look absolutely mint, dude. So mint. Wonder what you guys think. Did you guys mess with it or not? I think it looks sick. This thing needs a little bit of touch-ups. This is what I mean, guys. You can tell I have the bucket here, obviously, to hold up the side skirt, but we're gonna need to touch up here so that it can really lock into place. Also edit this. You can see there's like a little gap right here. This fits in good right here. We're gonna have to add in a little filling here to fill up this little gap as well. This should be good. It should go right in. But as you can tell, once we get right here, it looks good. We can just bolt right through here, but I don't want to make any permanent holes or anything into it first until this thing goes to the body shop and they fully correct it. This side will need a little bit more work. As you can tell, this doesn't fully fit and I don't want to crack it, so I left a little spacing there. This part fits as usual. Same thing here though, we're gonna have to edit this a little bit, and right here as well, because this thing is on the verge of just like bending like that, and as you know, fiberglass, you don't want to crack it, so kind of left it there, that little gapping. But as you guys can tell, you see we need a little bit of editing. And then as for the front bumper, this is actually perfect. The front lip actually locks beautifully and perfectly all around this bumper, like perfectly locked into place. This doesn't need any editing at all. I can actually like lock these in for good because it's actually really good. As for the front bumper, little tiny gap there that I don't like, but also I haven't fully locked in this bumper, only really like locked in this piece, not really this part here, and then it can really like go into place better. But overall, all of this looks good, looks way better as well. Now the thing I want to ask you guys is, should we go ahead and get the deflectors? Should we delete this so that's just a full clear bumper? What should we do here, guys? So let me know. Maybe we should just smoke it out with like a smoked deflector or whatever. I don't know, give me some suggestions. The other suggestion is also to get rid of this bumper and go with the dolphin nose bumper, which if you guys don't know, I'll put it up somewhere here on the screen. As you can see, it's a lot better. It's more with, I think, the 97 delsols, but pretty much removes the fogs and gives it just a nice clean look with just the two headlights. And also the front grille is a lot better. You kind of have these little holes or something right in this side, and it just looks a far more cleaner and aggressive. But you guys let me know if I should keep this bumper or should we get a dolphin nose. The only issue is that the dolphin nose are extremely rare and hard to find nowadays, and if you do find one, people are charging ridiculous amount of money. I mean, people are charging anywhere from like 800 to like 1,000 for a OEM dolphin nose bumper. It's crazy. Then these like bug eye front end ones are like cheap. You can get them for like $250, maybe $300. Now there's one thing I forgot to show you guys, which is the new exhaust tip for the Delsol. We're gonna do a full custom exhaust, but we're gonna throw this exhaust tip. As you can see, it like swoops up, so it's gonna look super sick. I'll put a picture right here of how it looks. My buddy actually had it on his Delsol, and that's how it's gonna be on our one. I cannot wait to add this on there. It's gonna add to the whole style factor, especially when it's all stanced and all of that. So you guys see the fart can exhaust that is leaving, so that we could put on that beautiful one over there. With all that said though, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and leave the day here. pretty successful day. Looks good. That is gonna wrap everything up for this video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. If you guys are pumped and excited for the Delsol, let me know down in the comments down below. I am so in love with this car. I did not forget about it. This is still the star car for sure. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Comment down below what you guys think. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. Stay humble. Stay blessed.